Hi viewers, today we are going to see about the facility management. Why we are going to see the facility management of soft and hard service? It is a fast growing subject or the area for getting a lot of job opportunity for the engineering graduates and also others in the prominent or the fast manner. What is the definition for the facility management or the explanation for the facility management? Group of people combine together for achieving their goal or target. In the facility management, there are two important types are there. The first one is soft service. The second one is hard service. There are four important categories which are occurred under facility management of soft service. They are housekeeping service, pantry service, waste management service, and help desk service. Apart from these four categories, some other categories are there, such as landscaping, car parking, maintenance, and security also. But these four categories are more important one. Let us see the housekeeping activities and other categories here. What are all the duties they are doing in the housekeeping activities? They are cleaning the floor, they are cleaning the bathroom and toilet and other places which are executed in the agreement by the service provider and the client. But in pantry service, they are also well-trained persons they are occupying. I want to give an example here. Whenever you are going to a commercial building or the university and college, while you are approaching a pantry, you are getting a warm ceremonial welcome by the pantry service people for providing a cup of coffee or providing the meals and other snacks and etc. etc. They are also trained people, well-trained people. They are also maintaining the hygiene in proper manner as per the agreement executed by the service provider to the client. But in the waste management, they trained employees, they teach the occupants or the tenants or other people in the commercial building or other sites how to segregate the wet waste and dry waste. And they are keeping a dustbin in every floor and every place wherever necessary to collect the waste products. And they are dispatching every day the waste product from the respective place. And they are maintaining the report and submitting to the client also. They are maintaining a high level hygienic to the site and commercial building, etc. in the proper manner. Every day they are dispatching the garbage from the site. The fourth one is the help desk. It helps the new entrants or newcomer whom they want to approach, how they will go. And also they are maintaining a ledger or register for entering the every new entrant details and etc. They are receiving a lot of complaints. It may be either the soft service or the hard service from the tenants or occupants, and they are directing to the respective person for solving the issues. These are the four important categories coming under the soft service of the facility management. Apart from this, the security, it is the most prominent one. The landscaping, gardening and pruning, it is also an important one for the soft service of the facility management, and allotting the space for the tenant, and car parking also some other activities which are being done by the soft service of the management. Majority of the facility management of soft service are facility manager of soft service, assistant facility manager of soft service, and the facility coordinator or the facility executive and the supervisor. Then finally trained employees. The facility manager who is occupying in the prominent position to guide the team how to execute the day-to-day activities. He is following the twice post-COP principles. Whenever he has the chance, he has to apply this principle for getting the goal in proper manner. The assistant facility manager, he is guiding, he is assisting to the facility manager in all areas, all levels. And the facility coordinator or facility executive, they are the prime hub in the place of or in the absence of the assistant facility manager of soft service or facility manager or the operation manager, the facility coordinator or facility executive, they are acting in a prominent manner. They contact the clients and also tenants for making the site in hygienic way. He is getting the report, he is collecting the report, he is asking a lot of questions them, the tenants, for making the site in proper manner. He is the prominent person rather than the facility manager and the assistant facility manager. And the supervisor, they are doing the day-to-day activities with the help of the trained employees. They are visiting the site every day, whether the employees they are doing the work properly or not. Every day they are visiting the site in the proper manner. In case of any emergency, they are contacting the facility manager or rectifying the issues in the proper manner. This is the hierarchy. In short way, what I want to say here, the facility manager or the operation manager, he is the prominent top leader. Under him, a group of people combine together to achieve their goal. Then, computerized maintenance management system. It is most needful and necessary one for the facility management of soft service, because day-to-day activities which are registered in the CMMS and they are getting the report every day and every week for submitting the client from the CMMS. So there is a specialized person to occupy to operate the CMMS. Nowadays there are a lot of softwares which are available in the market for CMMS. If it is depending upon the contract what they are mentioning to use the CMMS, the service provider they have to use it. Facility management means under a single service provider, both hard and soft service works are being executed in a proper place or in a site with the help of single technology. They are giving a lot of work by the way of soft service and hard service to the client. This is called the integrated facility management. It is a combined one. It is a compact one. They are following the holistic approach. Holistic approach means it's a combined approach. They are giving all kind of the service from the hard service to the soft service. This is the most important one. Nowadays, all the service provider they are following this single umbrella of integrated facility management. There are 4 important pillars which are occupying in the facility management of hard service and facility soft service. What are they? People, process, building or site, and the technology. People means employees. In the hard service, the technical person, they are occupying in the prominent person. In the soft service, they are trained people occupying in the prominent position. Process, execution of the process is different amid both the hard service and soft service, because technically qualified persons are executing in the hard service, so that their approach is entirely different from the soft service. Thus in soft service, the trained people, there is no need for a technically qualified person for execution of the work in the soft service. So the both process for executions are different from each other. Site or building, the soft service person, they are maintaining the hygienic for occupants as per the agreement which is executed among the client and the service provider. But in the hard service, they are maintaining the building in proper manner by way of technical area, a technical field, and the technology. This is most prominent for the hard service for the facility management. whatever the day-to-day technology, prominent technology, it should be applicable or implemented for installation or generating the report to submit with them or outsourcing personality while they are approaching for conducting the AMC. The technology must be necessary. So this is hence these four processes are called the pillars of the facility management. And while we are approaching the key performance indicator, or while we are approaching the measurement of the key performance indicator, we should keep in the mind for some important concepts. First one is goal of organization. We should define the key performance indicator based on the goal of organization in the proper manner. And decision making. It should be or define the key performance indicator. It is most relevant to the decision making. The decision making should be allowed to the top to bottom. Hence, the key performance indicator should be a proper and easily acceptable and accuracy. If the decision making is not properly defined in the key performance indicator, we can't get the proper key performance indicator. And allow all the person from the top to bottom, from the facility manager or the maintenance manager to the grassroots level. Because the grassroots level employees, they are having a lot of experience for troubleshooting and everything. And the top level manager, a team leader of the facility management of hard and soft service, they have a lot of experience. Hence, when we combine together this experience from the top to the bottom, they have to give the proper key performance indicator while defining or measuring. And whenever there is not possibility to achieve the target, it should be define the alternate occurable ways to get to the possibilities, to get to the proper key performance indicator. These are all some fundamental concepts which I explained here for your easily understanding, because the hard service and soft service are both entirely different from each other. The way of execution for achieving the target also entirely differ, because in the soft service they are maintaining the hygienic to the tenants or the occupants, but in the hard service for clients they are maintaining the building by way of technically skillful person. And also it is a fast growing subject areas for getting a lot of job opportunity. These are all the fundamental concepts. Thank you very much. Bye. If you like this video, you will share your funds